Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we will be diving into an exciting comparison between two powerful trading platforms, BullX and Autosnipe AI. So, if you are into crypto trading, especially meme coins and multi-chain trading, this video is for you. By the end of this video, you will get a clear insight which one is better for you. So, without further delay, let's get straight into this video. Now, first of all, let's talk about BullX. So, BullX is a multi chain trading platform that is designed for traders who are looking to access a wide range of blockchains, including Solana, Ethereum, Binance, Smart Chains, and more. It is tailored for meme coins traders but also offers powerful tools for those who are looking to explore the broader crypto market. So, one of the standout features of BullX is its Pump Vision terminal, which provides real time insight into the trending tokens, helping you stay ahead of the market. It also supports multi wallet functionality, so you can easily manage your assets across various blockchains, which is a game changer for many users. Now, let's talk about Autosnipe AI. So, Autosnipe AI is a platform that's revolutionizing the way trades are executed using AI. With Autosnipe AI, you can let AI take over your trades even when you are not in front of your system. It's perfect for those who want to take a hands off approach and still stay on top of the market trends. Autosnipe AI stands out for its AI sniper feature, which automatically identifies profitable trades and copy trading, which lets you follow and copy the trades of top snipers in the community. On top of that, Autosnipe has some of the lowest fees in the market, making it an affordable choice for traders. Now, I have created this table for you so that you could understand the features, and it will also bring clarity of the differences between these two. First, if we talk about the blockchain support, so BullX supports Solana, Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, and multiple blockchains. But on Autosnipe AI, it focuses mainly on the supported trading pairs. So on Autosnipe AI, you just have to deposit some Solana into your account and you can start with the trading. If we talk about the interface, in BullX you will get simple and user-friendly interface, whereas in Autosnipe it is AI driven and it has more advanced UI for automated trading. If we talk about the key trading features, in BullX you will get Pump Vision Terminal, multi-wallet support, and in Autosnipe AI you will get AI Sniper, copy trading, rug and scam detector, which you won't get in BullX. Now we talk about the fees. In BullX you will get higher fees as compared to Autosnipe AI, whereas in Autosnipe AI you will get AI optimized priority fees feature. So AI is going to optimize your fees, and in this case you will have to pay a very less fees at Autosnipe AI. Now we talk about some of the advanced tools. In BullX you will get Pump Vision Terminal for trend tracking, and in Autosnipe AI you will get these features. So if we talk about the copy trading feature, in BullX you won't get the copy trading option, whereas in Autosnipe AI you will get the copy trading option. Basically, this is the USP of Autosnipe AI. Now, as you can see that both of these platforms offer something unique. Now, the question arises, which one is actually better for you? So it really depends on your own trading goals and your own trading styles. If you are a multi-chain trader who is looking for the real-time token insights and a user-friendly interface, BullX might be a better choice for you. However, if you prefer AI-powered automation and want to copy top traders and are looking for lower fees, then Autosnipe is a clear winner. In the conclusion, both platforms offer great value in different ways, and it all comes down to what fits your style and needs as a trader. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.